Hello friends, under the course Advanced Selling Skills and the topic Effective Communication Skills in the Sales, today we are going to discuss the topic Sales Calls Communication. So after looking towards an email communication, next important part for the sales people nowadays, due to an technology, the majorly sales happen on a phone. So learning the phone skill, sales call skill is a very important point for the sales people. So in today's discussions, we'll discuss about few points on which all sales people should concentrate to win the sales. The first point, that is prepare for the calls. The second point, follow proper sales call etiquette. The third point, listen to your prospect. The fourth point, engaging the prospect during the call. And the fifth point, best phone sales practices to follow. If all the sales people follow these 5 principles during the phone calls, then their deal will get win, and they will find an highest success rate. So we'll discuss one by one. Prepare for the sales call. So before, there are 3 types of sales calls, that is inbound calls, outbound calls and cold calls. So inbound, outbound. Inbound means the call that comes to you. Outbound means the calls that you have planned. And the cold call, just you know the number, you don't know the person background and many of the things, but you are just cold calling to get the conversions of your sales. So looking all these 3 types, I am trying to provide you certain tips. So prepare for the calls. This is the first tips. So before calling, you should get mentally prepared for the sales calls. So when you are before calling, you get relaxed. Then instead of worrying, you just concentrate on the focus what you want to speak. You need to sound confident and impressive personality. So once, avoid a stress when you are from a negativity, and get your prepare often mentally. Then before calling, you should research your prospect, collect all information about your customer or prospect, about their attitude, their behavior, visit their website of the company, visit to the social profile of the prospect, so that you can get an idea about that personality to whom you are calling. So then the third point, have good product knowledge. So before calling to the prospect, you should have very good product knowledge about your product, so that you can solve the query of the customer. Know your product well to answer all the questions. You should know the USP of your product. Find out how your product solves the specific need of the customer, or whether our product is a problem solving product that will lead. Set sales call goals. So before preparing the calls, so what will be the outcome of your call? So set the goals where you want to close. So what is the purpose of the call? What the benefits the products will going to give to the customer? How much of time the call should go? So what do you want from a prospect at the end of your call? So visualize clear picture about before calling. So what the start of the call and what should be the end of the call, and how much of durations you want to go with the call. Find out the best time to call. So which after researching the prospect customer, you try to find out which time is perfect. If it is an officials and in office timing, what perfect time of call, or try to avoid on Sundays. Even on Monday also, there are many times work pressures on the people, and even the holidays, avoid even on the Monday. You try to just concentrate. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday is the better day to call. Best time to call in between 4 to 5 p.m. or at morning somewhat 11 to 12, or sometimes it is an relaxed, then you can call it evening also. So this is a strong preparations of your call. Second, follow proper sales calls etiquette. This is very important point. Pleasant voice and consistent tone. So you should know the voice. You have to maintain a very good voice about yourselves and consistent tone. Don't go in aggressions at certain modes. Then respect to the gatekeeper. So if there is an attendant of the phone call, so you also speak about the boss of him, so that he will pass a right information, and might be he will helpful to convert your call in a winning call. Careful use of buzzwords and phrases. So whenever you are speaking on the phone call, so try to avoid the big jargons of, rather than some of controversial buzzwords also you avoid whenever you are in the phone calls with the prospects. Very important point, do not speak ill about your competitor. Even do not speak anything about your competitor. If something is raised by your prospect about the competitor, just focus on your benefits of your products rather than talking bad things about your competitor's product. It will spoil your relationship with the long-term relationship with the customer. Be realistic when making and promises. So whenever you are making a promises to your prospect, be realistic. Though that is not beyond your control, so you just avoid such a kinds of promises. Moving with the third, that is listen to your prospect. So don't interrupt these listening skills. I had already made one video on listening skills. Please go with that video also. So whenever the customer or prospect is talking to you, please listen. Listening is a very important quality of the salespeople. Don't interrupt in between them. Imagine that if you are talking and somebody is interrupting you, that irritates you. So don't do you also whenever your customer is trying to say. Show that you are listening with your body language. You can't show the body language on phone, but at least you can reply towards the customers whenever you are listening, that like that you can make the voice, or okay, sure, very interesting, sounds good, really good, I like it. So like that you can use the words so that it shows that you are listening about your prospects. Clarify certain doubts. Clarify if you have any doubt at any point. Ensure when they have paused or finished speaking. Clarification doesn't only save from your collecting the wrong information, but sets an impression that you are actively listening. Prospect always appreciate it and get interested in working with you. Avoid unnecessary noise. If you are talking on a road with your prospect, then unnecessary noise will go. So try to avoid such a kind of noise. Engaging the prospect during the call. The next point, that is engaging the prospect during the call, is very important. Start the call right. So you need to grab the attentions at the starting line itself. So try to focus on what your customer or prospect like. It should be don't use the fancy words or the big jargons. Even and you try to avoid how are you, how today is. So even you try to avoid the words we are the best, we are the leading, the important the things are there. So try to avoid, rather than use the name of your prospect or customer, and try to appreciate some of the things during your call, so that you can get a very good engagement on the call. Build a personal relationship with personal connections with the customer. Find out the common background which your skills and the prospect skills get match, habits and the like and dislike, like generally get mashed. Genuinely compliment on certain issues about the prospect. If you like something, the website of the prospect or some achievement, so genuinely compliment so that you can build up a good rapport with your prospect. So highlight the benefits of your products. Use the benefit statement, generally USP, what exactly the problem of the customer will get solved by using your product, and the benefits that you have to convey. So you just write certain points, what will be the gain if they buy your products from a customer end. And the fifth point is best phone sales practice to follow. So you have to make certain practices. You record your sales call, try to find out certain points that you dislike and remove in the next call. Always improve yourself. If you record each your sales calls, you find the reasons of rejections of the sales. Don't forget to say the thank you at the end of your call, and even in time to time whenever the situation arises, say thank you to your prospect. Don't depend on the calling script. So avoid using an sales call script. So you try to use your own language and be yourself. Don't try to show exaggerated or something that you are not and you are trying to show. Words you should avoid using as it affects the close rate. So you have to just avoid certain words like we are providing the discount, the contract, and even don't repeat the words now I am showing or we provide. So this will drop your success of your getting the calls or conversion of the calls. Close the call well. So try to summarize your conversation and try to set up a next meeting also if the calls not able to close. Thanks your prospect of patiently listening and responding to your all queries. Learn and improve, continuously improve yourselves. Have a growth mindset in the mind and create a calling reports so that what we did. Work on your weak areas and try to improve on each. Learn from your each prospect so that your experience get built up and you will be one of the best salespeople. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these tips will definitely helpful when you are talking on a phone in your sales call.